Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube video. Thumbnails are important because they help attract viewers and give them a glimpse of what your video is all about. So let's start the video. To add a thumbnail, you will need to access the YouTube Creator Studio. So once you are there, click on the Content tab on the left hand side. So click on Content and then select the Videos tab. So it's already selected. Now look for the video you want to add a thumbnail to. So we are going to add thumbnail to this video. So click on its title to access the video details. So click on it. Make sure you are on the details tab, which is the default option. So this is the details tab. Now scroll down to the thumbnail section box. So if we scroll down, this is the thumbnail section. Once you are in the thumbnail section, you have two options. You can either choose a thumbnail from the 3 automatically generated options by YouTube, or you can upload a custom thumbnail of your own. If you want to use YouTube auto-generated thumbnails, simply select the one that best represents your video's content and click Save. However, if you want to use a custom thumbnail, then you have to click on Upload Thumbnail and choose the file from your computer. It's important to note that YouTube has specific guidelines for the custom thumbnails. They should have a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixel and they should be in JPG, GIF, BMP or PNG format and should not exceed 2 MB in size. So make sure your thumbnails meet these requirements to avoid any issues. So click on Upload Thumbnail and select your thumbnail picture. It's on the desktop. So this is the custom thumbnail. So select it and click on Open. Now click Save to apply it to your video. So click Save. YouTube might take a few moments to process the changes, but once it's done, your new thumbnail will be visible to your viewers. So as you can see, this is the new custom thumbnail. So if we go to channel content, you can see the new custom thumbnail here. So that's it. You have successfully added a thumbnail to your YouTube video. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips on YouTube content creation. Thanks for watching.